What does it take to be a master of your craft, an effective cop? It takes more than just being physically strong, and there's more to it than just patrolling around looking for crime. Being a good cop starts before your shift, knowing how to eat, how to train, how to take care of your family. Being a good cop involves being prepared with the right equipment and knowing how to use it. It means knowing your agency, your resources, and the laws. It's knowing how to cope and decompress and nurture the other areas of your life. Mastering your craft as a law enforcement officer means continuously sharpening and developing your mind, body, and spirit. And that's why we made this thing for you. So you have something to help you master the basic fundamental principles, preparations, and procedures of law enforcement. TacBook USA is excited to present the TacBook Patrol Guide, a comprehensive resource for law enforcement. The Patrol Guide is the first and best all-encompassing resource guide for current or aspiring LEOs to becoming exemplary on the streets. The format is designed with a real-world, chronological flow to match your shift, including pre- and post-shift routines. Use any one page at a time and your performance will be sharper in any of the given areas. This is what it means to master your craft. And this is what it means to be patrol ready.